Hello, everyone. I'm literally walking around Torrance right now to find some quarters, and that cleaner is over there. 할머니가 돈을 바꿔주려고 했는데 she was a little too nice, so I was like, you know what, I'll just go to this bank right here and get my quarters. And this was such an hassle. Oh my goodness, just walking around Torrance looking for quarters just to do some ballet that I barely even do. Finally got my quarters. Oh my god.
Oh, he passed around. Oh, wait, you're not passed around.
Oh, I thought you were done. 마시는 거예요? Oh, that's good.
Well,
Wait,
still doing my
잠깐만.
Who's Jason?
잠깐만.
Trade?
No, you know what? Trade.
No.
I did not throw.
You don't. We had 3 games.
Yeah,
I won
right.
3 times.
I was this close. This close.
Everyone
TL.
wasn't that close. I was
okay.
so good. So these kids are just angry that I'm winning.
Okay, that's fine.
They're like,
So, how many games did you win?
3.
Please don't.
Una.
But you gotta take +2.
Do I know? And Uno.
Why would you do that? Didn't you guys just say it's blue? No! Yes, right! Take it back!
No take backs, Timothy. Timothy, no take backs. Timothy.
how do you feel?
Like a sort of loser.
It's okay. You got it.
It's okay. I lose well.
I've never seen anyone order water through Uber Eats at like 1 a.m. in the morning.
It was better when I had the top open, right?
Yeah. I'm with my brother, Paul Saw.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Yes. Please vote for me for your next governor. Brown paper package is tied up with string.
That's mine. That was my Black Friday shopping. I love your fashion. This is Torrance fashion.
No, this is convenient fashion.
Hi, we're making seafood boil. We're at In-N-Out.
You've been here for a week and 2 days, 9 days.
Wow, so beautiful.
You know that video? I love the view. And he goes, "You're my favorite view."
Yeah.
And she's like, welcome.
guys, we're at Trader Joe's on my favorite vegan olive crisps. So apparently my camera guy doesn't record me, he records these random things that are not that important. I'm very camera shy. I'm very camera shy. So we came to Coffee Stop and we're gonna meet the owner. Her name is Ellie. Okay, how crazy do I look right now?
So crazy. So crazy.
Do I look pretty?
맛있게 먹어요?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. 괜찮을지는
너무 좋아요.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that an egg sandwich?
oh my god. I think that's crazy. Are you seeing this?
근데 이건 맛있진 않을 건데 짰어요. 지금 right before.
Oh man.
그래서 chia seed with orange and carrot. 근데 맛있진 않아요.
괜찮아요.
먹어봐.
건강해요?
어.
아, 그럼 됐어요.
This is avocado, bacon.
Wait, do you want
She's the
coffee?
네.
뭐 드릴까요?
아이스 아메리카노.
아이스 아메리카노.
네, 감사해요. This is a juice she just made. I've been craving the avocado toast. I'm excited. 이거 못 사는데. 어?
레몬 먹고요.
네.
귀여워. 어디?
Cheers.
또 어떻게? 하늘이 안 나온다. 어떡하지? 그냥. 엄마가 어떻게 해? It's good? 저런 리액션을 해야 돼. 또 먹고 싶어.
이거 너무 먹고 싶었어요.
Really?
I love
Thank you so
avocado.
much.
I was like dreaming about it for like
너 에그가 되게 오래 걸리는 거야. Like it's 일본 way, right? But no, I'm like, okay, he needs protein.
So we're at the Dodger Stadium because apparently Paul's kind of sick. I think he just has the flu or a body ache or something, but we'll have to see. Hopefully you don't have to COVID, Paul.